Now I will use this page variable as it's a response from a Scrapy request, which is coming from the page source from the driver. The HTML code, basically the HTML code of the driver is assigned to this page, and we will use it in our Scrapy code. I'll write my response is equal to selector, which is coming from Scrapy, and the text of the selector will be equal to page. Let's first import the selector from Scrapy. From Scrapy.selector import selector. Okay, now we can use this. Okay, now from this response we will get the data of the page food items. We will get the list of the items from the page. Food items is equal to my response, and we will use Scrapy selectors in here with the help of the selector we use. Now let's go to the page. Okay, let's inspect one item, how we can get the data, how we can get the list of the items of one page. Okay, let's come in here, and if I click this, we will see that these two items which is in this div tag are two items have all the data we need: the image, the price, the ratio, and the name of the item. So we can use this div class with the data test ID list view. Let's go to the code, and I will use CSS selector in here, which is a div tag, and the data test ID is equal to list view. Okay, now we get the list of the items of one page. We will start scraping data. So I will go to the items and create a new class in here. Class food item, and it will inherit from Scrapy.item. I will define three fields in here. Name will be equal to Scrapy.field. This will be filled from the spider, and price will be equal to again Scrapy.field, and we will get the image link. Image link will be equal to Scrapy.field. Okay, now let's go to the spider and import this from parent folder items. Import food item. Now I will start the loop for item in food items list, and we are going to create one instance of this food item class for every loop. Food item is equal to food item. Let's start by finding the name on the page. I will go to the page and click one item and inspect it. We are going to take this name element. We are already in here because we use this list view data test ID to get the list of the items. I will open this and search for the name, and it is in here. I am going to use an XPath for this. So as I said, we are in here. We are going to go to the second div, and then the first span of this div, and the first span of this span, and we will get the text from this. Okay, let's go to the code. And food item name. This is this name, by the way, that we defined in the items. Okay, and this will be equal to item dot xpath, and let's write xpath. I write a dot in here because we are in this list view, so it will not look at anywhere else. It will just look at this list view, this div tag. Okay, it will be in the second div, as I said. Then Second div's first span and its first span and the text. Span, span, and the text in it. And we will get this. Okay, we got the name, but I'm going to write here an if else statement. Uh, because if it cannot find this element on the page, I want to write something in here also. So I'll write if and take this is not none, get the item, get the data, and if it is none, I'll simply add none in here, put item name, and it will be equal to none, or I can say no info. Okay, let's find the price now. We are in here already. Okay, the price is in this box and it is in here, and I will also open this. So the price value is in three different parts. We are going to concatenate those, and while I concat those, I will put a dot between those two elements. Okay, so it is in the again in the second div, and I will go to this div, and this div I will again use expat in here, and I will not take this first span, and the second, third, and the fourth spans I'm going to use. Okay, let's go to the code. I will first write this one and then convert it to an if else statement. Put item the price, put item's price will be equal to item that expat. Okay, now I will start with this again, and we are going to be in this second div. Now let's check it again. After second div, div, div. Okay, now we are in here. So we will go to the second span. Span 2, and we will get the text in it. But this is not finalized. We are going to append to this string. I will write the same thing actually. Control C and Control V. Why is this giving us an error? Okay, let's delete this and add it in here. Of course, I need to take this in parentheses. Okay. Now we got all the elements from the page. Uh, Now it is dollar sign 3295, but it shows us 3395. So I will need to add a dot in front of those. Okay. Now we can now we get the data. Let's write our if and else statement. If I'll just take the first one. Okay, is not none. Let's tap this. Okay, get this. Else, if it is none, food item, price value, there is no info. Okay. Uh, Finally, we are going to take the image link. Let's inspect this. Open this one. Where is it? Okay, we are in here, so open this, and the image is in here. Open this also. Okay, we are going to take this source, and I can use this product tile image data test ID. I'll copy this, and let's come in here. Food item image link will be equal to item dot. This time we can use CSS because we know it's an image tag img, and the data test ID will be equal to this what I copied. Okay, now we are going to take the attribute of source in here, src. Okay, we get the data now. So again, I'm going to put this in an if and else statement. Control C, Control V. Okay, is not none. Tap this and else. Food item image link will be equal to info. Okay, let's make this a little prettier. Okay, now we get all the items. After getting all the items, we are going to yield this put item for every loop. I forgot to add the parentheses in here after the gets. Let's add them. Okay, now we have completed our loop. Then we need to go to the second page, and the page after that, and the page after that. So I will define a function at the top, and it will be init, init, and I'll just write here next page number. Okay, and it will be start from 1. After this loop ends, I will come in here and I will increase the next page number by 1 plus equals 1. Okay, now we will get the link of the next page link, and this will be equal to, we are going to use this URL that we talked about before. I'll copy this URL, and I will use it in a formatted string. I will paste it in here. So I'll just come in here and delete this one, and add the next page link self dot next page number in here. Okay, so we get the link of the next page. So now we are going to go to this page. If self dot next page number is smaller or equal to 25, because there are 25 pages on this website, I will yield response dot follow, and I'll go to the next page link, and the callback function here will be self dot parse function. Okay. So after the loop completed, after we get all the items from one page, we are going to increase the number of the pages, and then take the link of the page using this next page number. Then we will check that if it is smaller or equal to 25, Then we will go to this page and do the same thing over and over again until we get the 25th page. Okay,